This is the red wire, and the red stands for life. So the socket is bad. I have to remove the red wire. And this is the black. The black stands for neutral. I also have to remove it. And this 8, or you call it green. That means the earthing of the house to the socket, and I also have to remove it and fix up on my new socket. From this source, the neutral also produces current that passes to on the socket, while the earth is for any shock from the house or from the appliance used on it. It can be called a 2-in-1 socket or a double socket. Why do you call it a double socket? Because it has 2 points on it, and 2 points can work at the same time. And in the double socket, this is the back. We have the earth point, the life point, the neutral point, and an extra earth point. I might decide to join the 2 earth together. I also decide to separate it. That's why we have 2 earth. But here we have 1 neutral and 1 life, which is 1 red and 1 life. I might decide to join the 2 wires together to each point. This is how we fix it. Firstly, you can start with any wire, but I decide to start with the earth. Fixing the earth point at where the earth is being shown. So the earth is being shown. Scrolling it very tight so it doesn't have to run out or lose out. Now the second earth point. This is just how to fix your normal socket. A normal double socket without calling the aid of an electrician or an engineer. Bolting it together so it won't run out or lose off to start shocking. And it's very important if your socket is being, your house is being wired, you should always have earth in the house. And this is the light wire. I have to put the 2 together because this is the only point for the light. And I'm screwing it very tight. Remember, I said current is being passed through the coil. If it goes out, the socket will start shocking, and maybe current might not even be inside. And this is the black. It has to be at the neutral bar. I told you that it's being called black or neutral. This is the socket to be fixed. To put a new key into the bar. This is the knockout box. Screw by the sockets. So this is the best way of fixing your socket. Like, let me explain from the beginning for those who are not here. Firstly, I had to off the changeover control the changeover, I had to put it in neutral, so that I move it from the light to neutral. Then I just had to firstly lose the old socket that was bad. Screwed it out and fixed up the new one. And remember, I told you some measures we have to take when fixing the sockets. One, the lighting must be off. Two, you must know the dew point of each wires. Three, always checking your socket, there must be an earthing point so that it reduces the shocking. And four, whenever you're screwing the wires, make sure it's being hold firm. And five, you just have your socket being fixed properly. Thank you. And I have to go back now to put on the lights to see what I did, if it's good. But I'm sure it's good.